Experts say more than 110,000 people across the country are waiting for a life-saving organ transplant. About 80% of those patients need a kidney. The wait to get one can be up to 5 years. An average of 18 people die each day on transplant lists because of the shortage of donated organs.
A woman from Falmouth received the gift of life earlier this year from a hero in an unlikely place. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has their story.
Kidney disease has always been a part of Shanda Curtin's life, taking her mom when Shanda was just 16. The disease is hereditary. Last fall, Shanda's symptoms, including fatigue and high blood pressure, were getting worse.
So I knew I needed to find a kidney.
Shanda opened up about her medical condition to her boss at the Eye Care Medical Group, where she works as a nurse. Shortly after announcing the need for a kidney donor at a staff meeting, several employees came forward.
Hearing the story, just something in me felt I had to help.
When Lindsay Bouchard, an ophthalmology assistant, met Shanda for the first time, both felt an instant connection.
I knew that she was going to be the one. She sat down and I had goosebumps. I have goosebumps talking about it.
Lindsay turned out to be a perfect match. Nearly 4 months into the screening process for the transplant, her home burned down 2 weeks before Christmas. Despite having to move into a hotel, she never wavered.
We had so much support that I never had to worry.
The procedure took place in February, and both women got through the operations with flying colors. Isolating at home during the pandemic helped both women recover. Lindsay returned to work earlier this summer. Shanda, who's on a number of anti-rejection drugs, continues to improve.
But this is a really nice program that we started a couple years ago.
Both women were honored by the New England Donor Services Workplace Recognition Program. The nonprofit works to save and heal lives through organ and tissue donations. Now, across New England, more than 5,000 people are waiting for organ and tissue transplants. Across the nation, more than 100,000. Heartbreaking statistics that underscore the need for donors, but for patients to come forward and tell their stories, even in the workplace.
People care. People are out there. They want to help. They just need to know how do I do that?
From strangers.
We call each other our kidney sisters, so we are sisters for life now.
Shanda is overwhelmed with gratitude.
People don't know how sick people are waiting for kidneys.
For the now unbreakable life-saving bond between them. In Portland, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
They are special people. We'll have more information on how you can register to be an organ donor on our website and our social media app.